All right. Yeah, man, guy, with the famous Fern Gully. Yeah, man, guy, with that Saint Ann now, you know? With that Saint Ann now. Yeah, man, guys, today I sent me to stop to take a clip at the beautiful ocean. Yeah, man. See the night, man, but very windy. A little boat there. There's a breathing. Night like a breeze. Each man in that go. Are you a boat? You want an engine, man? You want an engine funny? So market, you know, Portmore market. From Portmore market, oh nice. Portmore town. Right down further.
Let's look funny right there. Let's reach it.
So you have three nice boat here, guys. Don't know, say. We know I'm fishing parish. Them say you have enough boat and them thing there, them place there. Yeah, enough sea man, you gotta see and get any fish and them thing there. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Come to Anthony. Same man, guys. I'm to Anthony. Me check back with you and thing, you know. So remember, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch your ads. Walking good feel, man. Good exercise.
Guys, a journey?
Bad man, fire Fred.
Jesus Christ. Guys, this a journey is not for the weak.
You walking nice, man. It's just steeper.
This reminds me, one time I was somewhere in a Kingston side.
Yeah, man, guys, man, I tell you. In the hills. But the good still, look walking good, you know? Yeah, man. See you brother, guys. Down there, so. We'll go continue going up, you know? Yeah, man, get down there. One nice little pool, guys. Yeah, man. Water nice though. Look pretty. If you buy a lot of equipment, so man, look we can swim. Come on, catch.
Give me a back.
Mad?
Yeah, I follow him, bro. These parts, guys, so they're pretty and nice. Yeah, man, the water nice. And guys, you can check out GB family, right? Alright, so check it out. Give me strength, you know? Yeah, man, give all of our strength, all of we are trying you out and want to reach somewhere. Yeah, man, it was nice. Finally. Now we to this Anthony channel. So I finally can experience it now. I'm going to go night too. Right, I'm ready for jump. See you. If you jump, jump. Oh, you mean walking worth it? It's quite nice. That's a shorter. See, man, piece like with fish and we think them clean up, you know? So do we cook up? Yeah, man, because I'm telling them, man, I'm not barracuda, mutton snapper, because some fish me know, show me pretty tired in channel. So, we know certain thing. Yeah. So that's a mutton snapper, that parrot, that's a that. Because I'm a pure channel. So you feel when you shoot all a 15-pound barra on them big barra there?
15-pound barra big. 24 big weather and 25 big.
Because if you catch 1-2 pounds of fish from a line, if you feel so,
different. You know. Also fish, like, I'm saying, so lie, you know,
Mm-hmm.
you don't know what the pan like.
That's true, Dad.
You understand?
Yeah, I see what I should say.
So you're up, aye. We are there, we are see them. So we don't try and one small one from bigger one there. Or aim for the bigger one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what shoot. But see more, I see some big one like 30 pound now. That's it, yes. You want that one there. So I shoot that now. It's like a dry line.
Yeah.
Draw with spear.
Yeah, me see you go on the channel.
Yeah. That's what hold him, see him. You know, it's like under, bro. Under pan, you know. You want to give out down in the water.
Yeah, so if you can swim and know if you can get yourself in with John, you know.
Yeah. So you know for where line with that. So them that food big, like 30 pound, 40 pound them with it. I say, yeah, that's it. But 25 good on. I don't reckon kill that man. Yeah, fried them. Nope. And that. Yeah, no chef. No chef neither. It's chef.
Come on, cool, you want to turn the push them now. Why do I camping soon, you come? Why do I camping soon, you come?
Where I camping with you?
Run us, sir.
Run us, sir?
Yeah.
Me not agree to that one there.
Why?
Stop my else.
No, but no, we're not trouble, yeah. You've been in water and thing and, you know. Yeah.
No, not that. I journey to walk from up here, so me not.
But one walk.
Because I you, I even know.
I one walk, you know.
Why never just want me and say, guys, you know, say, you have to do a lot of walk.
Well, maybe uno, but me know say a good walking. Well, not good walking, but me know say uphill come.
I'm walking, I'm an office girly.
You're for that.
And them things for the exercise, you sit down all day. You sit down in the office all day, so if you come, pick on the hiking.
Choose the wrong life?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Me have to go.
So guys, I get to push them dry off, you know, for season them up. See, them slice already. Then score up and things, so get them slice and things for season.
Guys, you know, I'm a fan camera look like a fool.
No, you're not like a fool.
The man them, I can cook, you know. Wife me said I can cook, but I don't eat fish, so I don't know how to prepare fish.
Eat lobster?
Yeah, eat that.
You can't eat lobster? You can't eat lobster. No, you can't.
Team pause.
You don't say you can't.
No, we can cook fried chicken, stewed chicken, curry goat, curry chicken.
Alright, I see me season the fish like I season the
Yeah, seafood, man.
the fish.
So obviously,
See like I season chicken.
Just don't salt it. The bossy fish and chew it.
See them score already there. I for those
Sprinkle seasoning for the
yeah, but just come out of the one of them come out.
I am pushing an egg up.
No, but the girl them are gonna look for me and say, but I get can cook.
everybody start somewhere.
No man, I can't.
Not gonna do nothing selfish.
A food one and say the salt I want to eat it.
When you bring me come a river for cook, I never cook fish in my life. You never cook fish? You never eat fish? No, but mother chef.
You no cook man.
No, I cook chicken. I'm a chicken girly.
Ah, no put them upon it, no put them upon it. No can't.
I want to read them picture. I feel like looking up on the door there.
What fish then? What fish at all?
Nice lobster, girl.
Lobster, you know, though.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking similar recipe. Right, okay. So we have to tell them that. I don't get some. No, breed me.
So you have a chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you a chef today, no?
Me a chef?
Yeah.
I rank you now.
No, son. I'll eat them go in there.
You know, I'm girl them done me.
Me?
Uno.
But that's salt and the fish. Cooking is
So when I say it looks salty?
No.
Alright, that good no man. No, marinate it with season.
Put some on it.
More? Nah, teach me how to cook them something, yeah.
Sing it out, man, I can know what to do.
You see with my sauce thing also. Don't start to still.
Not that old sauce. Are you mixing?
Yeah.
You're not chef, so you don't must know.
Yeah, man, guys, so the fire go and catch up, you know? You want to can put on a fish and thing.
Yeah, what? You can't put some more.
I mean, tell when you can.
You know, I don't know. Just a start.
And guys, when you can go onto the channel and check him out, man, give me strength.
Yeah, nothing there.
I don't know what them man kill the big bar them, you know. So go and look.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, one. And the big mutton snap on them big fish there. Some big jack and. You free?
I try to
One more night?
Yeah, like how.
one more. Who's nice that? I pepper that tonight, one?
Yeah.
Get the pepper?
No, I'm gonna go back.
You can't.
Eh?
You don't know.
Yeah, I'm glad they like me. You see that?
So yeah.
The miserable and holy. A man who's firm and strong can manage me. If you starve me, you can't work and you can't take up to eat that and that doesn't make sense. You know the man who can't take to eat that?
Yeah.
That makes sense? I'm a strong will and I know how I see I'm miserable. So I need a firm man in my life. So any man out here see me, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, call me.
Yeah, ball up same time. Alright guys, see fish there, man. We have 3 fish in a pot. I go and bubble, you know. And so we have some more fish and lobster.
Lobster, yes.
Yeah. And we have beetroot right there, so. And we have the spur tree spiced up sauce. We throw and pan it. Yeah man, so on the shop spur tree, if you have all the nice sauces them and spice, yeah man.
Be a people, so put just the one place, keep on up on it. I understand, because one number was food. Them there?
No, it's thicker, you know.
Let's have two of them.
Alright, big chef. Alright, load the pot on now. Put in the next tree.
What we are put in now?
Nice golden brown. Eh?
I'll put in. How much more put in? You know what?
No, good man.
Alright, then
What do you put it? Yeah, so where you put them in for?
Eh?
You put them in. Come here, we'll put them in. You cut with the thing them.
You know, I should free the oil, man, because I can't put them in. Alright. Mr. Yeah, cook it down.
You can take this.
Give me a couple to take.
Take your time, take your time.
It's something more special. No, one on the phone. Delete that. Delete that.
No, yeah,
No.
you want to take it out.
No, you want to
no,
tell us a
I
fresh
turn
banana.
one, turn one. It's a special.
See the job card. Wait.
Cooking with something. Yeah.
I'm sure you open it.
Me, I put it on, sir?
I'll put the picture of some more this time. No, this time for you, Yeah, come on, not good. Put them down. Take your time. Alright.
Alright. Turn the fish on now. Turn the fish already?
Yeah, it's just already, man.
Yeah, run.
You never expect that.
Forward.
It's a team effort. Come to the lobster and the fish.
That's the fault of the free food.
The lobster can work on this.
They will get an next
It's a nice plate, man. Plate there, man. And put on about the one there.
Put one napkin on this thing. And it dry out the one back.
Take your time, hold on. Yeah.
Everything else is like I need everything.
Can you have everything?
So go pang.
Alright, just
What else with? The two lobster then? No, at the island hot.
you have to say you put it in it. No, make you.
Go on.
Put it on now.
No, go deep. I'm not pressure you, man. I'm not pressure you.
You're not pressing me. Oh, yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Let's just here, guys. Guys, let's just here. You do what I...
So you have lobster right there, guys. You have lobster right here, so again. You have fish right there, so. Bedfoot peel already. So. Alright, you want to find this here. Room from the bedfoot, you know. No bueno fever, you know? No bueno fever, you know?
Nah, chef, nah, bun up. Just remind me.
I feel a big one, so.
Yeah, cause
bun up it.
when I eat the fish,
So, bon appetit.
when I eat no fish, I know a lobster.
No.
Oh,
I couldn't think of that.
Yeah man guys, so I say Chef's Poetry for all the #1 spices. Yeah man, and I sauce them. Jamaican one company. Very nice products. No MSG. Yeah man, so you can check out the Poetry brand. This sauce now, alright, see person them who don't like hot pepper, they can buy it because I'm a person who don't like hot pepper, but this nice. To me, they eat mild with flavor. So you know, just be a burning, and you know, nice. That's sauce them. Little eat and flavor, so very nice combination with your fried chicken, your stew chicken, curry, anything. Guys, to be honest, may I eat this with the round bun, the round spice bun them, with what call it again? And tin sachets. Say tin sachets with this and the bun, very nice, man. I tell you, yeah man, check out Poetry man for all your products them. See man guys, pack ladder now, so eating time, let me say, with this Poetry sauce.
seasoning to say.
Happy nice.
Him not tell me a why night.
No seasoning?
Why night seasoning? Everything right in
No
there.
seasoning?
Still asking.
Take your time.
Yeah, try it and tell me the season taste.
Yes, man.
You salty? Alright, try this now. Try Speech.
What that?
Poetry. That's Poetry company.
Poetry?
Mm-hmm.
May I try it for it?
Yeah.
We can try one side.
That me I said to
So when
You don't like it.
you like pepper?
a bit. I can work with the pepper. And pepper can work.
So you tell me how the sauce tastes.
She want to fish, you know? She don't want to fish like that. She want. I don't know come from.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I can buy it then. You can buy one.
I like it.
Then send a Shepherd's Fair. A Spanish town.
It tastes like pepper. You need a kick to it.
Yeah, in like a regular pepper sauce.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
I can buy Shepherd's Fair. I held them this up. Stuff like, yeah, you sell this up.
If you got people, it's nice to real. I like it. Mm-hmm. It's nice to real.
You know some people.
Yeah, man. See, I try to put the breadfruit now. Just sauce with the breadfruit and tell me sauce and breadfruit taste.
All of them?
Yeah.
Can I promote you, know?
You there? After done. Alright. Now you say you like fish. Well, they can take after you know, because you have one more so.
Yeah.
And one so. And this.
It's nice. I like it. It's a vibe.
New French translation, boy. She don't want to go back home, you know?
No more stay at Portland.
So you're going to be there? You're going to be
Alright.
Yeah, for to that, me and her, boy. Seafood for days. What you going to get tired, man?
Without seafood.
I lie, I tell you. 2 weeks up, man, they tired of seafood. You get 2 weeks, they tired of seafood. Tell me, tell me.
I can't tell you.
They get conch everything. Conch, lobster, every single thing.
No, man, the seafood.
From the nice sea you get it. Octopus.
Yeah, man, it's a, I like that sauce. It's nice with it. You eat a kick.
You ain't after now. Don't want to get
If you want.
Eat man.
If
Eat
you
man.
want.
Eat food. Eat food. Eat food.
No other choice.
Bro, the girl I done the food then so no come in now.
You there? Yeah, well, nah, don't tell you.
No man, the food don't cook now.
People, chop, chop.
She a cut and go through.
See it?
With the spare tree sauce, get an extra kick. She... Alright.
Oh, see you jelly them powder. See you jelly them. So rum there. Rum there, man. The thing there. The thing there.
Mm-hmm. Alright, see the guys, check the sauce.
Where
Nice.
charger there?
Spice it up.
See phone so the man go down and come up for people.
Want to?
So rum. You better look at that rum there depend for them, man.
Yeah man guys, sauce we done, you know. It be so done. Okay. Sauce. And then plate with lobster and fish. Yeah, done. And guys, if you want to come on the riverside and eat some fish, we will book with Anthony. Eh? So we book with Anthony, and you can come on the riverside or on the seaside and steam some fish, fry fish, anything. Just book with Anthony.
Yeah, I know. Lobster come.
It's a good day, guys, you know.
Come back.
The journey from Lindsay to come here, so was worth it, man.
So guys, just like, share and subscribe, you know? Come back. But watch your step because we fall down, right?
Boy, guys, man, I'm gonna water, you know.
Remember what's that? Rum, lobster and fish. Whoa.
Man, I'm gonna water.
Yo, man.
Guys, water nice so far. I true, yeah. Gonna water look, but you remember the video for me? Water cool. Ah, yeah, me. Man, test down so. No, I falls. Yeah, man, guys, water nice, you know. Right now, boil full so much. Wait, like man, from it. No fish, no lobster. Yeah, man. And remember, Shop's Poetry, guys. Let me share Shop's Poetry. Some guys book with Anthony. This niceness. You know, feel good to eat some food. And then gonna water. Yeah, man. So nice. Look at that, guys. Look at this beautiful water. See how to enjoy yourself. What a nice man. It'll come down to night time now, guys, so the clean and pretty, but they can see the beauty. Alright, you can see that nice river nature, you know. In belly full, saying good. Belly full. Yeah. See you, man, guys. So we're going out back, you know. Very good day. So, my soon, no? No next adventure. So, if you ain't me show, no, but look more, guys.